Received a white iPhone 15 Pro. The back glass is already shattered. You can see the inner ring of the rear camera steel frame is damaged. All four corners of the midframe have various degrees of impact marks. The screen is also completely shattered. It cannot display properly, only shows a white line. The iPhone 15 Pro series has a titanium frame. Seems like the frame is really tough. If it were an older model, the corners would definitely be dented. Judging by the damage, it likely hit the ground on the bottom left corner. The pressure from the frame broke the screen, not a direct screen shatter. So the titanium frame on the iPhone 15 Pro is really hard. Let's heat the screen for 3 to 5 minutes. The screen adhesive on the iPhone 15 Pro series is very tough. Since the screen is shattered, we'll use a thin prying tool. It won't damage the frame. After lifting a small gap, use a plastic spudger to slide around the edges. This is definitely the first time this phone has been opened. Protect the front camera and Face ID. Unscrew these screws that fix the metal cover, then remove this cover plate. The back of the metal plate has lots of foam pads. They provide some cushioning protection. Disconnect the battery, display, and sensor cables. Now we can remove the screen. Let's examine the midframe. The titanium frame is really solid, even with such a bad drop. No dents on the corners. Let's clean off the remaining adhesive on the frame. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite the video, and follow. Such people are so cute. After the big glue is removed, we'll clean up the fine details. Question: what phone are you using now? After cleaning, let's apply the new waterproof adhesive. Take out the original display module. When we remove the screen, we notice screws on iPhone 14 and 15 are much thicker. Remove the new screen from the package. Peel off the protective film from the screen's back. Question: what problems does your phone have? Begin the screen installation. Connect the sensor, display, touch, and battery cables. Clean everything thoroughly. Reinstall the protective metal plate. Use new screws from the box to secure it. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite the video, and follow. Such people are so cute. Wipe everything clean. Do a dust removal. Remove the waterproof stickers film. Remove the protective cover from the Face ID module. Close the screen. Place the phone into a pressure sealing tool. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite the video, and follow. Such people are so cute. After pressure sealing, screw in the two bottom screws. Don't rush. Let's turn on the phone first. Why? Because you need to turn off Find My iPhone for original parts installation. Once powered on, let's check the screen. No True Tone feature. Let's test other functions too. In settings, a message about screen parts appears. It says unknown part. Testing shows everything works fine. Under About This iPhone, it shows 128 GB Chinese iPhone 15 Pro. Also shows an unknown part warning. We find that the fan enabled theft protection. This is a new feature in iOS 17.4. What is theft protection? It provides extra security if your phone is lost and someone knows your password. To disable it or add Face ID, you must use the original Face ID. Disabling Find My iPhone is not possible. Even if the fan is in front of me, still not possible. The phone must be in a familiar location to disable it. So, theft protection can't be turned off. Can't run diagnostics either. Only option: send it back to the fan for disabling, or try this workaround. First, back up the phone using iTunes. After backup, the latest backup info appears. Then we reinstall the entire iOS system. The fan was using iOS 17.4.1. The latest is still 17.4.1. After installing the new system, since we know the Apple ID and passcode, we can activate the phone. Let's go step by step to activate it. A screen pop-up appears. Ignore for now. Check the theft protection setting. Okay, after system reinstall, theft protection can be disabled, but only if you know the original Apple ID or passcode. Hold volume up/down and plug in the charger. Enter diagnostic mode. Click Agree to proceed. On PC, go to Diagnostic Tools and System Configuration. We see a new item, NFC Restart. Anyone know what that is? Click on System Config. After setup, it says Config complete. Restart the phone again. Now the screen has no error pop-ups. True Tone can now be toggled on off. And About This iPhone, it now says Genuine Apple Display. Test other functions again. Everything works. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite the video, and follow. Such people are so cute. The fan didn't choose to replace the back glass or frame. With a phone case, it's good as new. Thanks to all fans for the support. If you like the screen repair, double tap. If you haven't followed, give us a follow.